Hi guys, I'm Dimple. For those of you who don't know me, and for those of you who knows, welcome back guys. So today I'm back with our favorite Zara and H&M haul video. So yeah, without further ado, let's begin with the video. But before that, please do consider subscribing to my channel and show some love. So yeah, let's begin with the video. So let's start with the haul now, and let's start with Zara first. So very first piece which I'm wearing right now, let's talk about this as I always do. So it is this off-shoulder crop top. I hope you can see. So you will see in this clip that how actually it looks, and yeah, it is a beautiful light, a pastel lilac pink kind of a shade. I hope I'm describing the shade right. And yeah, it has this poofy sleeves and this beautiful ruffled kind of a detailing going on all over the bottom and the front upper rim. So you can see, and it really looks so pretty, and it is a very girly, beautiful, summery kind of a top. So yeah, this one was my first pick, and I really liked it. And along with that, I purchased this denim skirt. This is a very basic general denim skirt. The reason why I picked it up, because it has a very decent length. I mean, it is not extremely short, so it is very comfortable पहनने में, and you can style it with t-shirts, with shirts, with tops, with this yeah. So yeah, I really liked it, and I had one. मेरे पास पहले एक denim skirt है पहले से ही. It was from Forever 21 I guess, yeah. But इसकी length मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी, so that's the reason why I picked it up. And it really looks very pretty, and the quality is extremely thick and nice. And yeah, it has little bit of distressed detailing going on, and raw hem, so बहुत trendy लगता है ये देखने में. So moving on to the next product, next I purchased is this basic black t-shirt. This is in the size small, and it is priced at rupees 490. And yeah, it is from their basics collection, and it has a beautiful v-neck design details, and it is in the boxy fit pattern. Yeah, it is quite boxy fit, and it has very relaxed sleeves, so it is very comfortable. The material is really very soft, and it is really basic piece. You can wear it in so many different ways. I mean, you can tuck it into your jeans, and you can make it as a crop t-shirt. So yeah, it is going to look beautiful with so many articles. And along with that, I purchased this denim shorts. This is in the size 38. And yeah, it is a high-rise denim, so it looks really very beautiful, very comfortable to wear. And मेरे पास black shorts actually नहीं थे, तो I thought to invest in one. So yeah, I got this, and it has all the button closure detailing going on, which is very comfortable actually. And yeah, it has a distressed raw hem, so it looks nice. It does look nice. So yeah, moving on to the other product. Next, again I bought a basic t-shirt. It is in this beautiful pink floral design, so it looks really very beautiful, and it is also priced at rupees 590, so it is very affordable, and the quality is really very nice. It looks beautiful with denims, with skirts, with shorts, whatever you are going to wear with this, it is going to look beautiful. And yeah, I bought it in the size medium. This one is in the size medium because I wanted to be little looser and little boxy fit. So yeah, that's the reason I bought it in the size medium. And you will see in the clip how actually it looks. It looks really very pretty. And yeah, this time एक भी प्रोडक्ट ऐसा नहीं है जो I want to return, because सारे products बहुत अच्छे हैं. So moving on to the next product, next I purchased this one is my favorite. Wait. So next article I purchased is this beautiful, you know, polka dot one shoulder knitted dress, and yeah, it looks really very beautiful. You will see in the clip how actually it looks. So this is short dress, and it is in the bodycon shape. I mean, it is a bodycon dress, so it really you know, flatters your body, your curves really very nicely. I mean, it complements your curves very beautifully, and it looks very stunning, you know. And yeah, this with white shoes, white sneakers, and or you know, any bright colored, pink colored or yellow colored sandal. Yeah, this is going to look very trendy. And I thought to add, you know, some color in my summer wardrobe, because I have a lot of pastels and a lot of neutral shades in my wardrobe, but blue, actually blue, ऐसा dark blue color एक भी नहीं था मेरे wardrobe में. So I thought to buy one, not one, actually two. So you will see further in this video. And this color is really very beautiful, and ये बहुत ही बार्बी गर्ल काइंड ऑफ अ वाइब दे रहा है. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन सी इट गिव्स रियली क्यूट बार्बी काइंड ऑफ अ फील. सो yeah, this is a very summer appropriate, very bright color, very comfortable to wear. I mean, you can wear it with sneakers, and it is going to be a very perfect casual outfit kind of a thing. And you can wear, you know, dress it up, dress it down according to your, you know, choice. So yeah, this is a very very good piece. I mean, very very good purchase, and I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I know it. Yeah, it is a statement piece, but obviously you can wear it as you want. So keeping the same color theme going on, I purchased this beautiful, you know, royal blue jumpsuit. Not jumpsuit, it is actually a romper. So ऐसे तो समझ में I don't guess कि आएगा. So these both dresses I purchased in size small. Yeah, it is both are in size small, and this is in pure linen fabric. It is very comfortable. It looks so stunning. The color, oh my god, the color is so beautiful, so pretty. And yeah, you know, as soon as, you know, I saw this on a website, I knew it कि मुझे चाहिए. So this is again a very beautiful color. I mean, I haven't owned this color till now. अभी तक ये कलर मेरे wardrobe में नहीं था. So I had to buy it, you know. I just had to buy it. It looks that beautiful. So again, you will see I styled it with, you know, pink sandals or sneakers for that matter. You will see in the clip how I styled it, and it looked so beautiful. You can wear it in, you know, so many different ways. I mean, you can dress it up again, dress it down according to your you know, choice, and it is going to look so beautiful, and it looks, you know, very flattering on my body shape. I mean, of course I do have a pear shaped body, so सारी चीज़ें मुझ पे बहुत ज़्यादा flatter नहीं करती हैं, but this looked so stunning. So yeah, and the color is a bonus point. So yeah, this was my next pick. And moving on to the next article, next I purchased is this crop top in beautiful lilac shade. Yeah, it is kind of a similar tone, I mean color family, which I am wearing right now, but it is little bit different. It is more, this one is more pinkier, and this one is more lilac shade. So yeah, it is in ribbed fabric, but it is different from my previous purchases which I have done in my previous Zara haul. I mean, black and white crop top. This one is little bit different. So it has this organza trim detailing going on all over sleeves and neck. So it looks really very stunning, and yeah, the color is beautiful, and again a very basic piece, statement yet at the same time. So I thought, yeah, this was my next. And what next? So next I purchased is this first can we appreciate the packaging. I mean, how beautifully and how, you know, nicely they pack the products. So yeah, next I purchased is this beautiful, you know, chunky gold chain necklace which looks really very stunning. And मेरे पास इस टाइप की एक भी necklace नहीं था या थी नहीं था, so I thought to buy one. And yeah, it really looks very appealing, you know, and this is very trending. I mean, you can see all over the internet and, you know, social media, on Instagram post, you will see you know, models wearing this kind of chunky necklaces and chains, and it looks really gorgeous, really pretty. So I thought to invest in one, and yeah, it is priced at rupees 990. But yeah, this is a very statement necklace. I mean, you know, this can elevate the simple top to the, you know, top notch. And if you are wearing simple crop top, I mean, for example this one, this is going to, you know, elevate the look further. I mean, this is going to take the look one step up. I mean, this can, you know, change your dressing game. So yeah, I thought to invest in this, and this looks really very pretty. You will see in the clip that how actually it looks. Again, Zara ki packaging is so pretty, so nice. So next I purchased, wait, is this beautiful cute sling bag. I mean, it is a sling bag. Actually इसमें straps हैं, मैंने अंदर डाल रखे हैं here. So because I will use it as a this cute kind of a छोटू सा bag. Yeah, this looks really very pretty. I mean, this lemon yellow shade looks so stunning, and they have one more shade in this. It is magenta pink kind of a shade. I will link both of them in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I mean, वो भी बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है. When I purchased it, when I ordered this, तब single color available था, but they have added one more shade, I mean one more color in this bag, so do check it out. It is really very stunning. अगर मैंने नहीं purchase किया होता ये, तो I would have definitely bought it, because that magenta rani shade is so pretty. So I will link it, and I will insert a picture for the reference, that you can see which one you want to buy if you like. So yeah, and this with that I mean, can you see the combination? It looks really very stunning, really very pretty. So yeah, and again the quality is really very nice. They have sling strap also, which you can add if you want. So yeah, I think Zara box is complete. I mean, we have finished Zara ke products. So now moving on to the H&M box. I mean, I have this. ये just अभी आया है. I just received it right before 1 hour, and अभी तक मैंने इसको खोला भी नहीं है. As you can see, I haven't seen कैसे आया भी है. Let me open, and I have bigger box also. Yeah, so please stay tuned. So let me open this पहले. मैं unboxing आपके साथ ही कर रही हूँ. Okay, I haven't seen yet. So this is kind of an unboxing thing. So the first thing from H&M which I have ordered is this. White skirt. इसमें थोड़ा सा दाग है. Oh my god. It has little bit of stain. I think this is going to go back. This was not expected. Okay, so let's move on to the other pack. So next I ordered is this beautiful peach colored crop t-shirt, and it has this knot detailing going on. इट वॉज लुकिंग सो अपीलिंग ऑन द वेबसाइट. और मैं इसमें मैं 3 बार इसको जो है वो अपने कार्ट में डाल चुकी थी. एंड एट द टाइम आई वॉज अबाउट टू डू अ चेकआउट कार्ट में से, it was out of stock. So yeah, I don't know how it is going to look on me because I haven't tried it yet. I just opened it in front of you guys. So how it is going to look on me practically, I don't have an idea. But talking about the quality, yeah, it does feels nice and premium. It is nice quality. And yeah, it has this tie knot detailing which you can tie around your waistline, and it is going to flatter your curves very beautifully. So yeah, next important thing, you guys need to see this which I purchased. अच्छा, ये ऐसे ही निकाल लूँगी मैं. Yeah, this one was important. So this is a body shaper. So what happens now when you wear a bodycon dress or something which is body hugging, and it is going to flatter your curves. So यहाँ पे ना वो rings निकल आती हैं. I have this sideburns का problem which looks very bad when I wear bodycon dresses. So that's the reason I purchased it. I mean, it is always safer to wear this kind of body shaper underneath your dresses. And of course I bought it in the skin color. They have this in cream and black color also. So if you want to buy a different color, you can go for that. But yeah, I bought it and it does looks nice. I mean, this waistband is very thick. The quality, H&M के undergarments are really very nice. I mean, undergarments and body shapers and socks and those kind of things, those are really very nice and good quality. I can assure you on that. So yeah, I bought it in the size medium because I had no idea ki in which size I am, because I haven't bought body shaper yet from H&M. But this is my first time buying body shaper. So let's see how it goes and how it turns out. Again, next article I bought from H&M is this crop top. This beautiful ruched detailed crop top. This looks really very stunning. This is a basic crop top, I mean tube top actually, sorry why I'm saying crop top. So yeah, this is in the ruched detailing. It is a tube top, so underneath your shirts, your jacket, or with plazo and or with jeans, denims, with anything, this is going to look very pretty. This is again a very basic piece, you can get a lot of use out of it. So again, बहुत अच्छा quality है इसका. And yeah, I again bought it in the size small. Yeah, clothes are complete, but there are 2 more products left. Oh, so next I purchased this cute sandals. I mean, they came like this. Okay, let me remove this so you can actually see. So I purchased this beautiful peach colored box heel, क्या कहते हैं इसको, flat heel, whatever. So you can see. So I bought it in the size Euro 38. That is my size for heels. If I wear shoes, I buy 39. So I bought it in the size Euro 38. Usually I buy 39 in the shoes, and if I buy heels, I mean if I go for sandals or heels, I prefer going size down because वो fit अच्छी आती है. So yeah, and these looks really very cute. I mean yeah, the quality is nice, and इसकी heel भी काफ़ी comfortable है. It is not uncomfortable whatsoever. And yeah, and the last thing I purchased from H&M is these sneakers, and sorry. So next I purchased are these sneakers. So you can see these really looks very cute, and it has all the pastel shades which I love. It has light yellow, grey, pink, lilac, so it can go with so many outfits. And yeah, this was my last purchase, and I bought it in the size 39. As I said before, I buy shoes in the one size bigger because shoes are, you know, more snug fit, so it is going to be comfortable to buy one size larger. And anyways, you know, you should buy shoes in one size larger, so you will be little comfortable in them. So yeah, these are my next purchases, and I really like them both. I mean both. So yeah, I think we finished the haul. So here the haul is complete, and yeah, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And please do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all guys very soon in my next video. And yeah, do suggest me some video, guys. If you want to see me, if you want to see something from me, do suggest me in the comment section below, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye guys.